welcome back to my channel and I hope you're doing well. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you that how to make the bird designs. So let's start the video, and if you are new on my channel then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications on my upcoming videos. So hold shift in Alt key to make it bigger manually. Select these two shapes and make the one shape by using the shaper tool. Select the points and drag outward. Hold Alt key and drag it to make a copy. Then select the multiple points by using the Pick Selection tool. Hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger, then hold Alt key and drag it to make a copy of it. Hold the Alt key and drag it to make a duplicate of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification from my upcoming videos, and as well as follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, and I will be right back with another amazing video, and I hope that you will enjoy this.